2 here to add number 3, which is our life. Then we look from here. In this video, we are come to look at how to wire this timer, the beam timer. I come to look at how to wire this timer. But before that, let's take a look at how the wiring. Let's take a look at how the wiring diagram goes before we start with the connection of the timer. If you look at the timer very closely, you can see number 1, number 2, number 3, you can see number 1, number 2, the down one, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 8. The top one, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7. The diagrams goes like this. Number 2 is loop 2. Number 8, which is our life. Number 7 here is our neutral. And number 1 here is our switch wire. So let's take a look at how the wiring goes before we do the real practicals. Now, we are going to wire diagram first. We are going to wire diagram first. The wire diagram of the timer. If you look closely to the timer, the top one, the first one is number 4, number 5, number 6, and number 7. And this place is number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 8. My switch. This is my 1-way switch. This is my 1-way switch, and here is my lamp. This is my lamp. Gun. 1, 2. This is my one gun, 1-way switch. This is my main supply. This is my lamp. This is life, and this is neutral. Earlier, I told you that line 2 is loop to line 1. Line 2 is loop to line 8. Number 2 is looped to number 8, which is our life. So we'll loop our number 2 on the beam timer. Number 2 here to number 3. Number 2 here to our number 3, which is our life. Then we loop from here to our main switch. This is our life. Then number 7. Number 7 is neutral. So we loop the neutral from here. So we loop our neutral from here. To our main neutral here. We loop the neutral from here to our main neutral. Number 7 is our neutral. So now let's start with the switch. With the switch, number 1 here is our switch wire. Number 1 here is our switch wire, and this is our life. This is our switch wire. And then our neutral goes like this. So I'm not done with the diagram. So let me explain so that you will understand it better. If you look at the timer very well, number 7 is our neutral. This is our number 7 here. And this is our main supply. This is our main supply. Number 7 here is our neutral. The beam timer wiring diagram. And this is how it is. The number we have number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 8. Number 2 is looped to number 8, which is our life. Number 7 is our neutral. Number 1 is our switch wire. So on the diagram, you see that number 7 here, which is our neutral. Number 7 here, which is our neutral here. This is the main supply. number seven, which is our neutral here, goes straight to the main supply, and from the main supply, it comes from the main supply to the lamp. This is our lamp. So we are done with the neutral. And if we come to the life, number two on the timer here is loop. Number 2 is loop automatically to number 8. So number 2 here is loop to number 8. And from the number 8 to the main light switch. And now number 1 here on the beam timer. The number 1 here is our switch wire. Or our load. And now from the switch wire, it's come to one side of the one-way switch. One-way switch. And then from the one-way switch, the next time now it comes from there to the lamp holder, to the lamps. So this is how the beam timer wire diagram is being wired. Please subscribe for more content. Please kindly subscribe and comment for more. Thanks for watching. Now let's do the real practical so that we understand it well with the timer very well. Now we have number 4. We have number 4 here. Number 5, number 6, and number 7 here. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 8. Number 2. Number 2 is looped to number 8. Number 2 is our light, so it's looped to our number 8 and it goes straight to the main supply, which is our light. Number 7 is our neutral.